EdTech giant firm Byju also had the much-awaited extraordinary general meeting today. This is the event that will perhaps decide the fate of CEO Byju Ravindran and the board members. Ritu, what are you picking up from the EGM?
Well, the EGM started at 9 a.m. as scheduled, despite, various attempts by the company, by Byju's, to move the High Court to declare this EGM invalid, but that request was not entertained. The EGM, took place amid much disruption. It has now ended, and all the 7 resolutions have been put to vote. The results, however, are still awaited. There were as many as 170 joinees at one point of time, and after re-verification, 37 were left as, the verified attendees. There were lots of attempts made to impersonate some of the investors. So all of that drama unfolded, even as, there were 7 key resolutions that were put to vote. The key among them was removing Byju Ravindran as the CEO of the company, along with removing Divya Gokulnath and Ritu Ravindran from their managerial and directorial positions and as signatories to any sort of financial checks. Apart from this, the shareholders are also seeking a forensic audit into Byju's to ascertain, the various acquisitions that have been made, compliances and so on, the reason for the delay in filing financial statements, and they're seeking to revamp the board and appoint new 9 members, including representation from shareholders as well as the independent directors and the group companies, including one founder. Now remember, whatever the outcome of the EGM, which is still awaited, it will be subject to the final orders from the Karnataka High Court, which is where Byju's had challenged this EGM. The next hearing in this matter is on the 13th of March. It is only after that will we know whether these resolutions can be given effect to or not.
All right. Thanks, Ritu, for putting all that into perspective and giving us all the details. Well, it's a big tussle between investors and founder from a new age company. Not the first one in this space, but definitely most dramatic one. Let's slip into a short breather on the show now, but more news and updates on the other side. Don't go anywhere.